Hello again guys, in this quick video, I'll show you how to change language on WhatsApp. The first thing that you need to do is just open your phone settings. Just simply tap, and from here you will see an option. Just scroll down and go to System and Updates. And from the System and Update screen, you will see here the language and input. Just tap this option, and under the language option you will see the language and region. Just tap this, and you will see here I have added 3 languages. If you want to add more language or preferred language that you want to add, just tap this add language option. And if you want to add more language in your phone settings, just scroll and choose whatever language you want to add. After that, just tap and add that language, and you are now able to add that language to your WhatsApp application. Okay, that's it guys on how to add or change language to your WhatsApp application. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to this channel for more video tips. Thank you guys.